What's up, y'all? Naturally Drea here, back with another natural hair video. As you guys can see by the title of this video, I'm going to be showing you guys a kind of in-depth video on how I do my 3-strand twist outs. As you guys can see, I already did the back side of my hair and a part of the front. I didn't want to make this video too long, so I'm going to show you guys about 3 twists in depth. So I'm just starting off with a small piece of hair, as you guys can see, and I did use my Mielle Organics Hawaiian and ginger leave-in, and now I just went in with my Tangle Teezer brush to detangle, and I'm gonna split the hair into 3 sections, and I'm gonna start this twist off as a braid basically. So I'm gonna, as you can see, I'll pause it so you guys can see, but it's just basically I'm splitting my hair into 3 sections, and I'm gonna start off with a braid, and I'm gonna braid down 2 to 3 times. And once I braid it down 2 to 3 times, I'm gonna take the piece all the way from my right, and I'm gonna bring it all the way to my left, and I'm gonna do that again. I'm gonna bring the piece all the way from the right and bring it all the way to the left, and you're just gonna repeat that same motion over and over and over, and that's how you create a 3-strand twist. I'm gonna speed it up just so you guys can see the motion, but I'm gonna show you again in depth. I'm just showing you guys basically what it looks like as you're twisting. And I did just go back in with my Tangle Teezer brush to detangle that section to make sure it's nice and smooth. That's very key. You want to go in and make sure the hair is nice and smooth as you're twisting. So on to the next one. I'm going to take my Tangle Teezer brush, go in, detangle. And I forgot to mention that my hair is already moisturized, so I don't need to add product. I only add product if I feel like my ends are dry or something, as opposed to like going through and moisturizing each section as I twist. So yeah, I'm just starting off with a braid again, and I'm gonna braid down 2 to 3 times, and then once I braid down 2 to 3 times, I'm gonna take the piece of hair all the way to my right and bring it to my left. Take the piece all the way to my right, bring it to my left. Take the piece all the way to my right, bring it to my left. And it's just that same motion over and over and over again. You're just taking the piece all the way to the far side and bringing it all the way to the other side. And that's all you do. You want to make sure your sections stay neat. You don't want to be borrowing hair, because then when you go to take down your hair, it'll cause a lot of frizz. So you want to make sure you keep those sections separate and keep the hair smooth. So if you're twisting and you notice that it's a little rough, then just go in with your comb or your whatever you're using to detangle your hair, because you want to keep it smooth like I said. And yeah, that's how you do it, and you just take your time. I do still like to twirl the end of my hair around my comb to get that nice defined curl. Then boom, we got us a nice defined 3-strand twist. And I'm just gonna show you guys one more, because I don't want to bore you guys too much. But if you feel like you don't get it, I think you should just pause it, replay it, and you'll get it. It's easy, it's not hard at all. All you're doing is taking it one piece of hair all the way farthest to your right and bringing it to your left. It's really that simple, and you just got to make sure you keep that motion. And sometimes it's easy for you to be doing the 3-strand twist and then end up doing a braid by accident. I've done it a couple times, but you just gotta really focus on the 3-strand twist. Focus on those motions so you don't end up with a braid in the end.
Fix things, quick things, looping. Well, alright then. Can you see me a cleanest? Those when me rocking at the fucking realest. Ching-ching. Inna the Louis V vest. Girl want with his squeeze silicon and real bless. Can a blow breeze for the head of my penis. Coolest breeze that me rocking a sleeveless. Ease out, ease out.
I would like to get to know if it could be
Alright y'all, so this is my hair completely dry. Pro tip, always be sure to clip all your hangnails so you don't snag your hair. I just ended up finding one and I clipped it off, so make sure you do that. And I'm just gonna go in with my Silk Elements oil. I'm gonna rub it all in my hands and apply it to my hair, and I'm just gonna start the takedown. You guys know how I take down my hair, so you're just gonna twist in the opposite direction. And while I'm taking my hair down, I like to always twirl the ends of my hair around my fingers just to keep that curl, keep that definition. And I'm just gonna take my time. I always say with my 2-strand twist outs to take your time, but you really want to make sure you take your time with the 3-strand twist out, because it's really easy to get frizz. So just make sure you take your time, and yeah, the oil really helps to reduce the frizz.
Yo, hey me now. Anybody do that dance and nasty up and them nasty up. Fix things, quick things, loopings. Well, alright then. From you see me a cleanest. Clothes when me rocking at the fucking realest. Ching-ching. Inna the Louis V vest. Girl want with his squeeze silicon and real bless. And a blow breeze for the head of my penis. Coolest breathe.
Alright y'all, so we on to the edges, which is my favorite part of any hairstyle. I don't think I've ever went without laying down my edges when I do a style. I feel like it just brings the style together. Like I don't ever think I will not do my edges when I do like a twist out or anything like that. But yeah y'all, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you stay to the end if you want to see the end results. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, make sure you're subscribed. Give me a like if you really like this video, and comment down below what you guys think about this 3-strand twist out and if it helped you. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.